morning everyone. Today I want to show you how to remove the black background from the Landsat imagery. So now if you look at this imagery now, you see the black background. So now let's confirm to see. So if I click on the image now, so I can see the stretch follow and the pixel follow. So now let me click to confirm from the black background. Let me just identify now. I click on the black background now. If you can see now, you see the stretch value is 0 and the pixel value 2 is 0. So now to remove this black value, to remove this black body, I think we have two methods to remove it, but the one is permanent while the second one is the temporary. So now let me explore the temporary method so that you can see it. So now I click on the imagery in the table of contents. So I right click, then I go to the property. So from the property you go to this symbology. From the symbology you can see display the background value. Just check it and apply. You see the black background disappear. Can you see it now? So now, but this method is temporary method. Now if you remove this imagery from the table of content and you re-add it now, so you will still have black background with it again. So now let me remove and re-add the imagery now. So can you see now I've removed the image. So now let me add the imagery. So I want to add the imagery now. So let me add the imagery now. So can you now see the black background again? So now this time around now I want to show you the second method. So now let's go to the Arc toolbox. From the Arc toolbox, so that we go to the data management tool. From data management tool to the raster to the raster dataset, and click on the copy raster tools. So now you can see now I've clicked it now. See the interface now. So now the input raster, so that we had our imagery. Can you see it? So the output name, we want to give our output, so that we have to name the output. So now in this case now I want to name my output this. So I've named the output. So now the no data value, so that we change it to 0. Then the format, which the now pixel types, so that we check our pixel type. Our pixel type is let's check the pixel types of the imagery. So we right click on the image, then we go to the property. From the property to the source, so that to check it. So now if you can see the pixel type now is unassigned integer, pixel depth is 16-bit. So now we want to choose the pixel type now. So we are going to choose the 16-bit unassigned. So now we can OK. Can OK it now. So it's processing now. So now I think now the process has finished. So let me uncheck the original image. So now you can see the process image now. So the black background has disappeared. You can see it. You can zoom in and zoom out. Can you see it? Can you see it? So this is simple method of removing the black background from the Landsat image. So thank you for watching.